This demonstration provides information about how to use Browse Tree Guide to fill an inventory file template for a product category. Hi, I am a Seller Central expert. After completion of this module, you will be able to download a Browse Tree Guide BTG for a product category you plan to sell. Interpret the BTG. Add browse nodes to your products using BTG. On Amazon.in, customers can search for products using the browse structure. By specifying a criteria, customers can view products listings on the Amazon.in website. To maximize the exposure of your products to customers, you must refer to Browse Tree Guides. The Browse Tree Guide BTG contains browse node IDs assigned to products on the Amazon.in website. Browse node ID is a numeric identifier for every category or subcategory of products. Each number corresponds to a specific category. Browse node is an important way to properly categorize products. You can also assign appropriate classification to your products by using the Product Classifier tool. Meet Tina, a newly registered seller at Amazon.in who wants to create product listings for selling her products. Let's help Tina get familiarized with the concept of Browse Tree Guides. To access Browse Tree Guides on the Amazon Seller Central homepage, expand the Inventory menu. Then, click the Add Products via Upload option. To access the Inventory File Templates page, click the Download Template button. On the Inventory File Templates page, you can download the Browse Tree Guide for a product category. For example, to download a Browse Tree Guide for Books category, on the Inventory File Templates page, in the Browse Tree Guide column, click the Books BTG link. You can also download the Browse Tree Guide using Browse Tree Guide link at the bottom of the Inventory File Templates page. The Browse Tree Guide is downloaded in a protected view. To enable editing, click the Enable Editing button. The instructions sheet of a Browse Tree Guide is displayed by default. This sheet provides instructions on how to use the Browse Tree Guide. The Books sheet of the Browse Tree Guide template contains two standard columns, Node ID and Node Path. Node ID refers to the identification number associated with a specific browse path. It is a unique number that you need to specify in the recommended browse nodes column of an inventory file. Each point in the browse path is called a browse node. This column lists the name of each browse node. To identify a node ID, locate the category of your product. Copy the node ID from the Browse Tree Guide and paste it in the recommended browse nodes column in an inventory file. Note: you can specify additional node IDs for your product based on its category. Remember not to specify node IDs for grayed out categories, as these categories primarily classify the navigation within the Browse Tree Guide. You can use these node IDs in cases where your product does not fit into any of the other available product categories. After locating a category for your product, click the See Available Refinements link of your chosen category. This directs you to the Refinements sheet of the Browse Tree Guide. The Refinements sheet displays corresponding refinements available for a selected product category. The Node ID column displays Node ID of the product category. The Node Name column displays descriptive name of the product category. The Refinement Name column provides information about the website display name. The Attribute column provides information about fields in which you should add your data. The Accepted Values column provides information about terms that are accepted for a field. The modifier column provides information about modifiers. For example, storage capacity has GB as a modifier. Now, Tina can access and use browse tree guides to create listings for her products. The browse tree guide provides unique browse ID numbers called node IDs that are assigned to products sold on Amazon.in. Node IDs from BTG are entered in the recommended browse nodes column in an inventory file template. Browse tree guides BTGs is now complete. Happy selling!